Gentlemen, we are day 5, right? Look at the turkeys. We are day 5 of our IDBDR. We are headed to LoLo Pass. And where did we stay at? LoLo Creek Campground. Actually, a nice little campground. It's perfect for when we need it. What they say is we're roughly about 150 miles on this one. All right, cattle guard. Coming out of Montana, back into Idaho. All right, now let's get into some riding now. Little 2-track. It's a rock mine here. Big sky day, baby. All right, the LoLo bypass, right? Is that what it's called? Oh no, LoLo motorway. We're on motorway. You know, you would think that a motorway is something that you can go really fast on. More whoopsie there. Another beautiful view. Wait a minute, did Dan go down? Hey Dan. Hey Dan. Dan. Ready, boys? The historic pass. What did they say this place was? The historic trail. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. I'm gonna take the high rocky side and see what happens. Oh, big thing. You gotta stay left right up to the top, guys. You're gonna hit something if you don't. Stay left. There's a big board sitting there that'll just knock you out. Still climbing, boys. Still climbing. We got a long climb ahead of us. You're right. I think we're gonna wrap around that other side over there. More climbing. Beautiful over there. Although I gotta pay attention here, but it's beautiful over there. Oh, why didn't I have my camera on? That, holy cow. You guys all right? That was a good run right there. Still climbing, gentlemen, still climbing. Oh, that was the Indian post office. Oh, this is cool down through here. Good stuff. Folks, I hope you're enjoying this series and get a chance to see what the IDBDR is all about. It is, there's some great stuff on the side of IDBDR, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I would still live in Wyoming, but this, for scenic and views and everything like that, it's going to be kind of hard to beat Idaho. Oh, this is a good one, boys. That was about as smooth as silk right here. This is a good part here, guys. Oh, big whoops there, guys. More, it says Devil's Chair on it. I don't know. It's satanic up here. Lewis and Clark. I am doing my best to take it easy.
How close is the fire?
You can just right.
Oh, yeah.
All right, being from Ohio and Cincinnati, what's the tin foil over the signs for? Oh, really?
When the fire, if the fire comes through, keep
Yeah.
We came back through there and we're like alien stuff going on, or you know.
We do the same at the bottom of the lookout. The lookouts will get them.
Yep, it's good for elk habitat.
Wow.
Perfect sense.
Is the lookout open?
I didn't.
Yeah. Okay.
Everything's open, just these two roads are closed and that's it. But they dead end 11 miles and 7 miles.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, that's our structure wrap. So we have fire shelters that if the fire comes at us, we jump inside or something like that too.
Right, yeah, I've seen those. Hopefully you don't have to use it.
Yeah, they're only about 40% effective anyways.
Right.
They're way too much anyways.
How much do they weigh?
What's that? Oh, yeah. That's the fire for sure. Wow. All right, well, you guys got bigger things to do. Thanks a lot, guys.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for everything you do. That's pretty wild to see that fire across there. Yeah, I did not know what the foil is. So the foil is to protect the signs so they don't burn down. Wow. So what you guys are saying is you like trails of the less rocky variety. Okay. It's always good to have variety in your rides. Yeah, these little whoopsie things are pretty fun. Woof! Oh yeah, here we go, guys. Watch out for the piercings on the right. Oh my God. Stay right as you come up the hill. Yep. Dan. All right, we got it. Yes, we did. Goodbye, tower. Hi, tower, bye, tower. Oh, hey, Jesus Christ. He was going 100 miles an hour around that curve, too. Holy shit, that scared the me. Well, yeah, I was trying to stay out of the rut. And he was coming, I mean, barreling around that corner. I literally dove kind of into the side. I was just going to drop my butt. I have it on film, too. But I was riding left, not riding right. Well, yeah, I mean, it was either that or be down in one of these trench ruts. Big change in scenery. Pretty wild. As we come to an end on LoLo. Yes, we are getting close to Pierce. All right, guys, LoLo today. What do we think?
9 out of 10 on beautifulness, and difficulty like 7.5 out of 10, but a long day.
Long day.
111
It was a long
miles
day.
off-road, non-stop, rocks up, down, you know.
Sand, whoopty-doos,
Beautiful, but
bar ditches,
hard day. I thought we'd be able to get further, but
Forrest Fire.
finished, we saw a Forrest Fire. We didn't see any moose, bears. We saw a couple dudes riding medium-sized bikes. And we had a couple small offs, I'll say.
And he means medium size, a 350 and a 450 or 480 or
I thought
whatever.
that guy was a 750 on the IMAX.
No, it was a 450.
Oh, 450. Wow.
So small bikes.
We went to
all
the
good.
fire tower. We went to a tower.
A fire tower.
White House,
I don't
something
know.
like that.
Something like that.
I climbed up it, and then of course the top was blocked. And Dan, I think, might have dropped his bike there.
We do have pictures of Dan,
Down.
maybe a couple times. But the
I just
bigger
wanna-
thing is that he tore his bag off, and we had to reattach that, or he had to reattach it like 4 or 5 times on the route today.
Fixed
Yeah.
now.
Now
It is
fixed.
fixed now.
It is
Engineering
fixed.
fix. It's not duct tape. It's not zip ties.
Way better.
So
Hose clamp.
Those clamps.
we are currently in Pierce.
Chubbies.
At
Doing us
Chubby's.
right.
Let's do this. Let me get that.
Can you get it?
we
Chubbies.
get-
Doing us right.
Get Chubby's. Chubby's is doing us right. Great place to stay, by the way. If you
Beer,
want.
wine, pizza, rooms, air conditioned, showers. What do you need?
What else do you need? Especially after a long, hard day.
It was a long, hard one.
Good day.
All right. Anything else about LoLo?
Don't miss it. Don't miss it.
Do it. Do it all. One
And
day.
don't believe what's written in the BDR.
Oh,
thing.
yeah. The BDR says it is not particularly difficult. With the big bike loaded up with 100 pounds of gear, decently difficult, I'll say. Not over difficult on the rock scale, but if you're a beginner, you might struggle up there. And you got no bailouts for 100 miles, so take your precautions.
Gotcha. All right, guys. That's it. That's our little recap.
See ya.
Later. Bye.